John Deere 8430. Complete front axle. The 84 will have 4 gears inside of it instead of just 3. I'm making it just a little bit heavier. This one here, you can see there's been no seals leaking on the inside. There's no seal leaking on the steering cylinder. Nothing's run down the wheel. Someone has replaced the tie rods. Front axle does not come with the fenders. No leaks. No leaks. No leaks. Again, no leaks on the inside or the outside. That number should tell us that it's got 4 gears inside of it, making it a little bit heavier. Again, someone's replaced the tie rods. It's always a good sign that someone took care of it. Steering cylinder. There's a little build up there on that steering cylinder. So I don't see any leaks. This tractor's been sitting here for a few days in the same spot. We've been testing it. And nothing's ran down, and nothing's on the ground. So we're going to say it doesn't leak, but we want to show it to you anyway.